Tomica 2025 March release, Honda Freed. I feel like the name is very funny. It's trying to get this car open. Okay, I got this ceiling open. I just hope we don't put the packaging because how many plastic wrappers. Now, if you don't know, my friends, this is a KI car because it's small, family friendly, and cheap. Although it doesn't break down by a bit. I mean, like, not a bit, sorry, but very often. It doesn't break down very often. So if you're considered buying a medium van, and depends, this is one of your top-notch choices. At least that's what I think. Yeah, so this penny is really hard to open. Maybe they got it open now. So if I give an honest rating for each of these models, one is, I mean, everyone has a 0 out of 5 for each rating. 4 out of 5, 4 out of 5. The same reasons, no realistic wheels and no review mirrors, which is kind of sad. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.